Hey guys, I am back and I'm gonna be playing more Balloon Tower Defense battles. So let's do this. Finding a much better find me when I have a hand. Okay, oh, I hate this map. Okay, I guess so. Okay, put that there. Die, balloons. I think this guy's gonna own so hard. Okay, now since we got this, should be pretty good for a while. Now we are gonna send some balloons at this food. Okay. I think he's smart enough to decide that I might actually need a cannon. Okay. P do 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 do. I'll send some of these. Doesn't seem to want to work, but alright. Who cares? Not yet. Okay, there's my setup. Okay, now since we have these two guys, it seems to be probably gonna do well. Oh, he can't hit, those guys can't hit blocks. Okay, since we got that, and that, and that, and that, and that, we are doing just fine. That was easy. Let's put some salt again. Confirm. Okay. 11 and 8, and I'm 15 and 9. Veriest. Okay. Very good name. Variest ist. Place him there. Boomerang. Because you know, shoo, shoo. To the side. Bam. Foo. 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 Okay. Get pwned, you noob. Wait, no, I don't want to play that. I don't really care if a couple get in. Okay. Let's get another boomerang guy. Let's put you here. Now deep. Put you as last. No. Okay. I'm not talking a lot. I'm not talking a lot at all, so yeah. You guys are like, yeah, you guys are making video without talking at all. Okay, let's put one of them there. Just in case. Just in case, papers. Send some greens at this dude. That hit my what y'all pipe. Okay. Dee. Can't touch this. Oh yeah. So that's some reroll, right? So now get pawns. Okay. No. You can't touch this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna save up some money so I can just burn him. Burning. That. Spiced weeds. Dang, they cost a lot, but they're worth it. They're camo. They're camo spiced weeds, which are totally worth it. Some can't send some. Whoa! Oh, I have nothing against those. I gotta get the crow's nest. Oh wait, no, crow's nest is on this side. Crud. No. 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 No, give me some money. Yeah! I won! That was awesome. I like assault better because I feel like it. That one just takes too long. I'm doodling while I'm playing this game. It's kind of weird. No. Ah, this map again. Don't like this map. I'm gonna leave. I don't want to do this map. Bye. Leave. Oh, won't let me leave. Oh, whatever. Okay. As long as I get my... Yeah. Whoa, this guy is good. Holy crap. This guy's gonna probably beat me, but who cares? I don't care. He is at 13,000 and I am only at 100 something. Get him! Good job! No. Oh, it's one stupid balloon. I don't really care. And a couple balloons. I don't care. Does not bother me none. Okay. You sweat, fool. This is what happens. Okay. Oh man, this guy's trying to outplay me. Guess what, sir? That ain't happening. Yeah, I kinda needed that, because I need to buy that, just because what happened last time was not good, and I don't want it happening again. Okay. No one needs to save up to buy that. Oh man, he's trying to own me, guess what, fool? Man. Oh man, you got this. Yeah. Yeah. Just die. Mademoiselle. Yay. Now we are good. This should do the trick. Oh, but guess what, man? You have no camo detection. Like moi. So, when them camos come, you have nothing and I have everything. DD. This guy can't do none against... When I camos, when can I buy camo? Oh, I'll have to wait until around 12. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Okay. Add regrow. No, I don't need to do that quite yet. Okay, there we go. Oh, now that guy got a wizard. That's very smart of you. Very, very smart of you. Quite frankly. Yeah, okay. Oh, I can't wait until around 12. I know I can make it to around 12, so I should be fine. Okay, now we have 2 of them. Okay, now let's save up a lot of money. Oh, we have leads. camo, add regrow, add leads. Can't, oh, now he's doing the same thing to me. But I'm burning him. Euro. That is how you win. How long is this video? Okay. Oh, you guys can wait a little longer. You guys can wait. It doesn't matter. I don't really care if you have a job. Nope. I know a thing for this map. You get that guy, that guy, and that. Okay. Another one of really high ones. That's getting kind of old. Come on, this one, yep, this one. Okay. Put that there. Upgrade to that. And then you would be surprised what happens to this when you hit that. Spam with a couple reds coming from the side. Get boned. Oh, another person with a wizard. I'm gonna add one of them right here. Oh man, they got through. Oh, he spammed me with it. No spammy for you. Man. Okay, I'm gonna put you there. Bam. There. You had the fragment bombs right there. They're like freaking invincible. It's awesome. Yeah. Oh, now he's sending out space pinks. That's what I can do it too, fool. Yeah, he's also higher level and I'm probably gonna lose, so. I just add a glue gunner because I can. Might help a little. I want to put that in the wrong place. I'll stick another one there. So anything that sends out me gets froze. Slows itself down. Come on. Oh man. No. No.